Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you on how to install 6 POS scripts on your server. Please kindly watch this video carefully so that you understand how I did this. And if you're a newcomer here, please kindly subscribe on my YouTube channel so that anytime I post a video like this, it will be useful for you. Thank you. So now, as you can see, I'm on my save panel. Now let's go to File Manager. Click on your File Manager. So here's my File Manager, and here's where I want my file to be located at my publish HTML. So I will just need to upload this file. Press on upload, then press on select file. But I have this file on my trash, so let me just go to my trash. But for you, you need to upload it there. Let me move it to where I want it to be located at my publish HTML. Alright, so as you can see, here is the file. It has been moved successful. So I'm using my mobile device to do this. So that's why it's like this. So let's extract this file. Let's extract the file. As you can see, the file has been done extracting. Now let's refresh the page. Please, for those people that need this file, kindly message me on my WhatsApp. I have the good one I will give you people for cheaper price. Thank you. Please watch carefully so that you understand how I did this. Now, as you can see, after the extracting, there is a tool file that came up. So you need to click on this one, which is here. Then there is a file also there that you will need to extract. This is the file, web panel installation. You also extract this file. Then wait so that this one will be done extracting. So now, as you can see, the file has been extracting. So let's select this and move it all to our publish HTML. Now let's check if this our site has been live, so we can start the installation process. I think there will be an issue. Let me see if I can use another browser to search for it. Let's go back and let me use another browser. Alright, so as you can see, it is ready to start the installation. So let's go back to our C panel and create our database. So let's go back. So now go to my SQL database wizard. Then you can put any name of your choice. You can put any name. You can put any name there. So for me, I'll be putting the same name. You can also do the same thing, but remember this is a demo. It's just for free. So now you put your password. I want to use the password that was generated for me. You can also put any password of your choice. Then you press I have copied this password in a safe place. Please note that any password that you are using for your database, you need to save it. You need to save it. Alright, so now let's go to our installation to start the process. As you can see, every request main information permission is correct. Name of my database are the same, so I can put everything there. So here you put localhost, here you put your database name and your database username and your password, and you press on continue. Now you can right now, as you can see, this website has been successfully installed. Thank you, and may God bless you. So now all you just need to do, let's check it to see if what we did was good. So now as you can see, it went successfully. Thank you for watching this video. May God bless you.